What if I told you that your flat, sagging glutes have nothing to do with your age and everything to do with the wrong exercises? You've done hundreds of squats and lunges, but your jeans still look empty from the back. That once firm, round, lifted shape has slowly disappeared. Hip dips look deeper, one side feels smaller, and the mirror keeps reminding you that something's changed. Stop blaming your body. You're not too old. You've just been training the wrong way. If you're over 50 and your lower body feels like it's slowly deflating, you're not imagining it. Sitting for long hours has put your glutes to sleep. This is called glute amnesia. Traditional squats mostly hit your quads. Your glutes stay switched off while your thighs get bigger. That's why you put in the work but see zero lift or shape in your backside. The solution isn't more squats. It's a completely different movement, the hip hinge. This directly wakes up and builds your glutes the way nature intended. Here are the 4 most effective hip hinge exercises you need. Exercise 1, Romanian Deadlift, the total lift. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a light kettlebell with both hands in front of your thighs. Keep your chest up and shoulders back, soft knees. Now push your hips straight back like you're trying to close a door behind you. Feel the deep stretch in your glutes and hamstrings. Lower until your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Then drive through your heels and powerfully squeeze your glutes at the top. That squeeze is where the magic happens. Exercise 2, single leg deadlift, the asymmetry fix. Shift your weight onto your left leg with a soft knee. Hold the kettlebell in your right hand. Hinge forward at the hip while extending your right leg straight behind you for balance. Keep your back flat. Feel your left glute working hard to stabilize you. Then squeeze that same glute to pull yourself back up. Complete your reps and switch sides. This fixes uneven shape and gives you balanced, rounded glutes. Exercise 3, conventional deadlift, the upper glute shelf. Place the kettlebell on the floor between your feet. Push your hips back, bend your knees slightly, and grip the handle with a long, neutral spine. Drive through your entire foot and stand up strong. At the top, squeeze the upper part of your glutes hard for 2 full seconds. This builds that youthful lifted shelf and fights sagging. Exercise 4, sumo deadlift, the hip dip filler. Set your feet wide, toes pointing out at about 45 degrees. Place the kettlebell between your heels. Hinge at your hips, keep your spine straight, and drive up by pushing through your heels. Feel the outer glutes and sides of your hips working. Squeeze the outer glutes hard at the top. This fills out hip dips and creates smoother, fuller curves. Remember this golden rule. After 50, it's never about heavy weights or fast reps. Go slow, stay controlled, and focus on feeling your glutes work. If you don't feel them, drop the weight and practice with just your body weight until the connection comes back. Quality always beats intensity. You don't have to accept a flat, sagging backside as your new normal. Your body is still fully capable of building beautiful shape and strength. Start these 4 moves this week. Stay consistent and patient. If you're truly ready to change, drop the number 9 in the comments right now as your promise to yourself. Share this with any friend over 50 who needs to hear it. You're not starting over. You're finally starting smarter. This is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have injuries or medical conditions. Listen to your body and train safely.